Hi everyone, this is my setup for springtime Easter celebration. We're going to have a family tea time and we plan a variety of desserts. So I hope you enjoy this setup. Thank you. This is just a small vignette that I'll be having on the table. There'll be added table displays that I'll be putting up. And the theme here is garden and rabbits. Also, a part of this celebration, I plan to have movies and books for children. So it's going to be a family affair. I would like to thank the DIY Mommy for this collaboration, and happy Easter everyone. Enjoy the springtime. A playlist will also be attached below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And watch my other DIYs in home decor. I have plenty of DIYs in home decor to come. Thank you for watching. And it's always nice to share. So share.